Do you like ketchup on your cornflakes? No! My name is Amanda Calloway and I'm a self-employed childminder. Watch me on the film. I kind of came into this job by accident. It was always intended to be a sort of a stopgap. I thought it would fit with my family whilst my youngest was little. I really didn't want to go back to my high-pressure sales job, stuck in an office 9 to 5 every day. And honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. Do you want to use a spoon, Annie, to do some mixing? Childminding is extremely flexible. I can decide the hours that I work to fit in with my own family. It's worked really well for me. Thank you. What is that?
And that is from...
That's a Cheerio.
Yeah, I just have it in his mouth.
We access the outdoors as much as possible. Fulfills a need for me as well as them. The children make it. It's like seeing the world through their eyes. Just watching them grow and develop from babies right up to the independent and confident children they are when they leave me and go off to school. It's just an awesome job. Oh dear me.